Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, all. Well, on this occasion, we are from Group 3. I'm Luki Dermawansa with Romi and Marif Shanturi and Muhammad Hadi. We will submit the text explaining about clause itself. Okay, let's go to explanation. Please, Romi.
Clause itself. A clause is collection of words includes a subject and verb in a sentence. Generally, in always be clause and phrase. A phrase is complementary sentence that can be used further explain clause in sentence. There are two types of clause in English, namely independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause, an example. An independent clause is as following: Romo eat his breakfast every morning, even he's already late to work. Daniel has breakfast every morning, even he's too late to go work. In this sentence, Daniel eats his breakfast every morning. Is independent clause which can actually stand alone without the next sentence. The subject of the sentence is Daniel and the verb of the sentence is it. What it means by stand alone is the sentence already has fairly clear meaning without the help of another sentence. Even when her mother is an activist, she still need to give her ID to principal. Even though her mother is an activist, she still has to hand over her ID to principal. In this sentence, she still need to give her ID to the principal. Is an independent clause that can stand alone even without the previous sentence. The subject of the sentence is she with the verb need. Okay, thank you.
Dependent clause. Meanwhile, dependent clause is a clause or sentence that cannot stand alone without explanation or support from other sentence. Example of dependent clause are as follows. Daniel eats his breakfast every morning even when he is already late to work. Daniel has breakfast every morning even when he is too late to go to work. In this sentence, even when he is already late to work is a dependent clause that cannot stand alone, because without the previous explanation, the sentence does not have a clear meaning and the purpose is ambiguous. Even when her mother is an activist, she still needs to give her ID to the principal. Even though her mother is an activist, she still has to hand over the ID to the principal. In this sentence, even when her mother is an activist, is a dependent clause that cannot stand alone or requires further sentence so that the function or purpose of the sentence become clear.
Okay, let me continue.
Conditional sentence.
Conditional sentence. The conditional sentence is a component sentence that contains condition regarding a supposition, imagination, or an event that has not yet happened. In English sentence, this conditional sentence begins with if second that the condition has not occurred. The conditional sentence form is if clause plus main clause. If you notice, the if clause is part of conditional sentence. Meanwhile, the main clause usually contains consequence of the preceding condition. Type of condition sentence. Condition sentence type 0. This type is usually referred to as zero conditional sentence. This type of sentence is used when the result of consequence of condition are manifest. Eike explain general truth and kind fact. This sentence is usually in the form of present tense with the formula if plus simple present or simple present. Example sentence 1. If we burn paper, it becomes ash. Second, if will sick if eat too much. Third, if you don't brush your teeth, you get settifies. And last, when people smoke cigarettes, their health suffer. Okay, thank you.
Okay, conditional sentence type 1. The first conditional sentence is a form of conditional sentence used when the result of consequence has the possibility to occur in the future. This can happen because there are realistic conditions that make sense for the possibility to occur. Therefore, the sentence form of this type differ of this first type of conditional sentence has the form of a simple future sentence, aka or the sentence that will come. The formula for this sentence is if plus simple present, simple future, will, or imperative, and example are 1. If I meet him, I will introduce myself. 2. I will cook dinner tonight if you clean the house. 3. If you rest, you will feel better. 2. Conditional sentence type 2. Second conditional sentence are a type of conditional sentence that are used when the result of or consequence only have manifest expectation even though the probability is very small. So it can be said that this second type of conditional sentence does not necessarily happen, but it can also become a reality. In the sentence form, the formula used is if plus simple past or where, would, or could, or might plus bar infinitive. The use of would or could or might serve first to explain how big a condition will be. Example 1. If I inherited $1 billion, I will travel to the moon. 2. If I own a zoo, I make let people interact with the animal more. 3. If I were you, I will continue my study. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that is our explanation about this material. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.